なんか手を遠くに出すだけとか、足一歩プンって踏むだけとか、ここにめちゃくちゃ魂込めるんですよ。やってることシンプルじゃないですか。
I know we in love, but not with each other, no, and we don't mind, 'cause you're still mine. If we keep it up, then maybe these two wrongs might make it right. Don't tell nobody. We ain't looking to hurt him, so good that we doing him dirty. I won't say no, I can't say no. I've been ignoring. We up all night until the morning. I can't say no. You don't get me caught up, love drunk, fucked up over you. But we don't feel guilty the more